How to create a poll on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the Instagram application on your device. After that, just go to your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then you can just tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on story. Then you can just click any random photo over here. Now to create a poll, what you have to do is just select on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Then you can see different options over here. Here you can see the option of poll as well in the middle. So just tap on poll and here you can ask a question like what's your favorite pastime thing to do? So that's the question that I want to ask, and you can just write the options over here. Dance, sleep, you can add another option, eat, and so on. You can tap on others, then tap on done. Then you can just add to your stories. And there you go, you have created a poll. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.